Multistage vehicle certification isn't just a label. It's a process ensuring safety and compliance of a new vehicle before it hits the road. By confirming that a vehicle completed in more than one stage meets the required motor vehicle safety standards. But to fully understand certification, we must first understand multi-stage vehicle manufacturing, an essential part of the commercial vehicle industry. Starting with the chassis manufacturer, or chassis OEM, these vehicles go through additional stages of manufacturing that lead to a completed or possibly altered vehicle through the addition of bodies and/or equipment. Each stage of manufacture is examined during certification, ensuring that the complete vehicle complies with all regulatory requirements before it reaches the customer. In the United States, the regulatory requirements for all new motor vehicles is enforced through NTEA, while emissions fall under the authority of the EPA. In Canada, compliance to all new motor vehicle safety standards is enforced by Transport Canada, and emission standards are governed by Environment and Climate Change Canada. A few things to remember about vehicle certification. All vehicles must be certified in the final stage of manufacture. All new vehicles sold must meet all applicable motor vehicle safety standards. And all manufacturing operations performed on motor vehicles before first purchase must be certified. Once a vehicle is determined to be in compliance, a certification label is created and placed on the vehicle, affixed to the driver's door jamb area. Certification and labeling obligations end when the vehicle has been certified in the final stage and has gone through first purchase, which means it's been licensed and titled in a U.S. state or delivered to a first purchaser in a Canadian province or territory. To summarize, multi-stage vehicle certification is more than a label. It's the process to ensure safety and compliance of a new vehicle. To learn more about vehicle certification, visit the NTEA website at ntea.com/certification. Thanks for watching.